it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm a little late. I am going to unbox the Hello Spring. It's the February 2025, but I just got home and I got to see some of my paper pumpkins that arrived while I was out of town taking care of my parents. And I'm only home for a bit, and then I'll be heading back again shortly. But let's go ahead and open up February to start, and then I'll be putting out another one here pretty quickly for the March one. So, all right, here we go. We've got Petunia Pop is going to be the color. And then what do we have here? We've got To a Wonderful Friend, Sending Love for You, Hello Spring, Happy Easter, Thanks for Helping Me Grow, cute. And then we've got just some chives. It actually says chives right there. And then we've got some little pieces here that can turn those into flowers. And then this is just a background stamp here. So now let's open up and look at all the pieces. I just wanted to show you, I know it's too late to get this one, and it's even too late to get the March and April, but you could get the May one. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Paper Pumpkin. It is a monthly subscription, perfect for paper crafters, and you get it shipped every single month, and you can opt in or out depending on the month. You get to see a little sneak peek of what is coming, but not everything, just a little bit. So then you can decide if you want it or not. And you just need to decide before the 10th of each month. So this one, we're going to be making a total of 9 cards. So 3 of those, 3 and 3. They give you all the directions. They give you everything you need to make this. The only thing they do not give you is your own little pair of scissors. Now, and when you get your first one, you'll get a block. And then you just keep using that block for the next months that come. But they send you the double-sided tape. They send you any twine that's needed. Sometimes they send you, like, let's see, they sent this one a few months ago. So they send you all the little pieces if you have any in there. And then they give you this guy here. And you can take this and fold it over. And you can tape it on this side and this side, and then make yourself a little pocket. And then this would go, if this was all taped up, this would go in that pocket like this. And it would hold it like that. Or you can do what I do. I actually get those old CD cases. You remember those that you flip over and look at your CDs? And I just put them in here like this. And so I can see what's in there, and then I know behind that is this guy here. And I just keep them all in those little CD cases that you keep in your car. So that's what I do. And then anytime you're looking for something, like let's say I wanted to make this card here, but I don't want it to say Hello Spring. I want to maybe do a Get Well card, right? Or with sympathy card. Well, I don't have Get Well on here, but guess what? A couple months ago, I got this one, and look at what it says, Get Well Soon. So I can just use that in its place. So I love that because you get lots of great little greetings that you can use on future. All right, let's go through the rest of these so we can see. So you can also use these for scrapbooking. You can use them for junk journaling. Look at, there's plenty of people out there who make those envelope journals, right? You could do that with these. And how pretty would this be to make those envelope journals with these envelopes? I might have to do that because I do come up with alternatives. So we will see what happens here. Anyways, they send you enough cards, or enough envelopes for the cards. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, they sure do. When you look at it this way, it looks like it's kind of a cream, but when I turned it this way, it's got like a yellowy, bluish tint to it. Look at all of these dimensionals they gave us. That is a lot of dimensionals, so we're going to have some popping up to do. And then they give us the bases for the cards. So we've got these 3 card bases, and then the inside is white. So again, can you imagine using these for like your journals and stuff if you wanted to, or obviously making cards, but even scrapbooking, any kind of paper crafting, these are going to come in real handy, I guess. So there we go. Now we got all the extras. We've got some like flag banners here. We've got some circle cutouts, more banners. And then we've got these guys here. These are all pieces that are going to match with your cards to go on your cards. So you just need to find the right pieces. We've got chives, mint, basil. We've got all of this here. We've got some more chives that they can turn into those. You can add the flowers if you want. And then these are 3 little banners. And all of that will make all these cards so you'll see where they go. Here's the banners there. And you see they covered up that chives and added those flowers on there. Same here. They've added up the chives and added the flowers. And it says, thanks for helping me grow. To a wonderful friend. And then this says, hello, spring. So, and you can see that little bows of twine that they sent you. And on this one, I don't know if you could see it, but it's definitely 3 different layers tall. So that is why they gave us so many dimensionals. So there we go. Oh, and guess what? The new rewards program is up. So when you do Paper Pumpkin, guess what? You get rewards in your Paper Pumpkin. So that is very cool. And that is 10% of the CSV. So that is the Paper Pumpkin that was called Hello Spring from February. I will show you real quick the one that I'm going to unbox here soon, and that is the Paper Pumpkin from March, and that's called Daisy Daydream. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and hit that